Are you looking to purchase a home in this Redbank community? Take a look at their wonderful snow removal standards. If you're a retiree and looking just to waste time in life, then this is the perfect community for you. It takes up to 3 days for you to even leave your house after a snowstorm. So make sure, get the kids, the grandkids, and let's keep them hostage for approximately 3 days. It will be the most you'll see them in the entire year. Yeah, they may call here and there, but hey, nothing says I love you than keeping them hostage. So come on down to Redbank, Navasink Pointe community, where you can just waste time.